Pasg. Y Pasg.
Hello, Eiri dwi. I'm Eiri. I hope you've been enjoying your 10-minute daily Welsh lessons with Helen. There isn't a Welsh lesson today, but I've made a little video with my children to help you learn some useful words in Gymraeg for Easter. We'll start with y Pasg. Easter. Y Pasg.
Y Pasg. Y Pasg.
The next word is wy. Wy.
Oi. Oi.
But of course, during a Pasg, we have a different kind of egg. Wy Pasg. Wy Pasg.
Oi Pasg. Oi Pasg.
For more than one wy Pasg, it's wyau Pasg. Wyau Pasg.
Wyau Pasg. Wyau Pasg.
Another important one for this weekend is siocled. Siocled.
Siocled.
There are all kinds of wyau Pasg. Wy bach and wy mawr. In Welsh, the adjective, the describing word, comes after what you're describing. So we say wy Pasg bach, wy Pasg mawr, wy bach, wy mawr.
Wy bach. Wy mawr.
Today, we're having a helfa wyau Pasg, Easter egg hunt. Helfa wyau Pasg. Helfa wyau Pasg. Here's another new word for you. Cuddio, to hide. Dwi'n cuddio wyau Pasg. I'm hiding Easter eggs. Dwi'n cuddio wyau Pasg. Dwi'n cuddio wyau Pasg. Dwi'n cuddio wy. Gwrandewch. Listen. Gwrandewch. Ble mae e? Where is it? Ble mae e?
Ble mae e?
Dyma fe. Here it is. Dyma fe.
Dyma fe.
You already know how to say I like. Dwi'n hoffi. So now you can say that you like things to do with Easter. Dwi'n hoffi siocled. Dwi'n hoffi wyau Pasg.
Dwi'n hoffi siocled. Dwi'n hoffi wyau Pasg.
Here are some other useful words for a Pasg.
Cyw. Cwningen. Cwningen y Pasg.